Oh, you're eating.
Yeah, I was wet tteokbokki and
Oh,
mandu
what
and
is
a juice.
manjo? What's
Mandu is a dumpling.
ah? What juice are you drinking?
Peach or plum juice. Plum.
Okay. What am I eating? Oh, I have. What do I have here? Oh, still my half. What do you call this? Peanut butter sandwich.
I don't like peanut butter. It's yucky. Bleh.
But it's delicious. It's yummy, yummy.
Bleh.
Especially if the peanut butter is so soft, so very, very delicious.
Bleh. I
Okay.
don't
Oh,
like butter.
oh, you have a very, very cute sunglasses. You look like a cat, a pink cat.
Bleh.
You're a pink cat? Are you a pink cat?
Yeah.
Automatic. Automatic. Okay.
What
Are
is
you
the
tell it's like readily available. Oh, wait a minute.
a
So,
heart?
what did you do today?
I went to school and come back home and I eat some macaron and I go to taekwondo class and
I
I want to
went.
play grand, but I need to go to see a movie.
What movie?
Mario, do you know Mario?
Yeah.
Mario 2.
Okay. Was it good?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it right now. Finish my dinner, then I'll go.
Ah. So, who's with you? Who's going with you?
Mom, daddy, and sister.
What about little brother?
Which about are gonna stay with mommy, I think.
Oh, mommy's not going with you?
Maybe she can go or not.
Okay. So, do you think it's good?
Hmm,
Do you think it's good?
I
Or
think so.
have you seen the first one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do
My
you have
sister
any
said
story?
no. We with all the magical adventures, we need to do something else now.
What do you suggest we do? What is that something else?
We can fly. Yeah. My balloon.
Oh, that's a
Ah,
balloon.
broken. It's
That's a
broken.
balloon. Why?
Balloon broken.
Why? What happened?
It's broken. Because of
Who broke it?
my, it's just broken. Don't pop, don't pop, don't pop, please. Oh, shoot, don't pop.
Oh, don't pop. Don't pop it or else it's going to explode.
Here it's okay. And I just put this one here. And with the tape, I cover it. Then we can play with it. There, there.
Oh, the balloon doesn't have a face anymore.
It had a face.
Oh, I think the balloon is sad.
I play with this one. Weapon.
I think the balloon is sad. Don't you think
Hmm.
so?
Yeah.
Do you think
Rabbit, rabbit,
it is
rabbit.
sad?
Yabby, 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 yabby. Squishy rabbit. You can see my hands inside. You want to touch it?
If I can. If I can.
It's
What else
pretty.
did you what else did you do today aside from your taekwondo class?
I play with this. We do stretching and we round and round and round and round and round. Look round and round and round and sit down in the chair very fast. And we do pick like throwing the doll. You put it, your ball come to here, then you need to be out.
Who did you play with?
Mm, this all of it, and I check because my toy is under the bed, and I just check it.
Mhm.
It's very neat. Mm, Here, my toy fell inside, and I cannot put it down. Mommy said put it up, but mommy don't put it yet.
Where are you going to where are you supposed to put your toys? Where
Up
are you going
here
to put them?
in my
Okay.
decoration room here, I had all my toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 toys, but always it was 8, but it disappeared. One disappeared. The gray one. My brother
Why?
is crisping, but my brother said it's scraping right now. It's scraping. My
Your
brother
brother
said
took
it's scraping.
your brother took the gray one?
Yeah. Where is the gray one?
You ask him
I don't
later.
know. It's in Rua's bed. Be in, under the bed, and I cannot take it out. And
Why?
I don't know. It's because I tried to in morning with my sister. We play
Yeah,
flying game, flying, but we here and we doing it up here to fly like that, and I put it up and I just go up now, but it fell inside and here.
you have to ask your little brother later.
Hmm? My
You have to
brother
ask
is
your
so
little
small
brother.
and he cannot get in there, and we can.
So who's going to get it? Who's
My
going to
daddy
get it?
or mom. Daddy or mommy.
Daddy or mommy? Oh, can I
Yeah.
drink water first? Can I
Yeah.
drink water first?
Yes. Then I drink juice.
I have my water bottle. My throat is
My
so
juice.
itchy. Okay. Okay. So what else are we going to do since we have read all the books?
Then
Do you have
I
other English
do
books?
a quiz.
Do
Look.
you
Let's do a game.
do you have other books to read? Mm,
No, I had just Korean book. And you can play a game with it.
what is that? Can you tell me what's that?
It's a board game.
It's a
You're
board
gonna do
game.
the heart. Rita, this is you,
Hmm?
and this is me. This one. This is me. Then
Okay.
we're gonna go, and we have a question mark here.
Mm-hmm.
Question mark. Can you see?
Oh, but I cannot read Korean. I cannot
And
read
you
Korean.
is a question mark here. Look at the yellow one. Question mark.
Okay. What's the
Then
question?
Rita is going somewhere and going to
Mm-hmm.
rescue the Candy King and going. The yellow one is challenge. Then we need to challenge is doing challenges this one. Doing
What
this.
sh- what
Challenge
shall
is this. You need to do the challenge. And
I cannot
challenge
do
song.
that. Oh, I cannot do that. Okay.
Okay.
I have a
And
very small space here. I cannot do jumping jack.
then we cannot play this game.
And you know what? Tito Lisa is using this one. Did you forget?
Then let's study this one.
Okay. What
Okay,
about the flower? Wait a minute. I just want to put my thing. Okay.
and we're gonna learn about Germany, Germany
Are are there questions
numbers.
here?
Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 15, 18, 19, 20. It's very different. Germany.
Mm.
And we're gonna do
Oh,
this one. Japan. Okay? 1, 2, 3,
what's your
4,
name?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, not that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's really different.
Very difficult. It's very difficult.
Do you know this? 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Do you know?
Chinese.
Yeah, I'm learning
Chinese.
this. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20。It's very difficult. I'm gonna learn this, and I'll just tidy um on my table. I can just put this out, and I'll just like that. I just tidy it up.
Okay, what else?
Now done, and I just put. Then it be ice cream now.
What's your favorite ice cream then?
Strawberry, chocolate, lemon, soda, cola, many.
But you didn't try the ube yet.
What is the hope yet?
Ube ice cream. The
What is
purple one.
the
This the purple one I showed you last time.
But I had no Uber ice cream in my ice cream store.
But right now I think it's already available in Korea. The
Hmm?
ube ice cream. This is the ube ice cream. Super yummy. Ubi means purple. Okay,
Burp,
purple.
burp. Odi,
Ubi.
odi. And
Ubi.
I wanna try this, 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 try this. So yummy. I wanna
Okay.
try.
Wait a minute. Okay. A dessert made of ube. Okay. I'm going to show you a lot of desserts made of ube.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, bear. Oh, oh, bear. Oh, oh, bear. Oh, 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 bear. Oh,
Chocolate, chocolate, rice cake.
a
So many.
cake
Yes, there's cake.
and a chocolate
Yes.
and yogurt and a cake here and a roll cake and a cake and a cupcake. And what is this?
Which one? Oh,
This
that's a rice cake.
rice cake and so many things. And this is a rice cake too.
Mhm.
And what
Okay.
is this?
Which one? Oh, that's a form of, how can I say? Um, how can I say? Pudding. Ube
Pudding?
pudding. Pudding, yes. Ube pudding. Okay. Oh, this one. Ta-da!
Ooh, yummy! I want to try this one most and this one, and
So many. You can do a
this
lot of
one,
things
and
with
this
ube.
one, and the one, and the one. Obi is made of this
It's purple yam. Purple yam. It's
like
a family
this.
of sweet potato, but the
It's not
color
a
is purple. It's a root crop. Root crop.
fruit.
Purple yam.
Oh, and I want to try this one so much. This one and this one, and I want to try all of it.
Yes, a lot of ube. So you can combine the cake, ice cream, smoothie, shakes. What else? Rice cakes, pudding. So many. It will melt in your mouth, right?
Really?
Yes,
You
ubi ice
try it?
cream. Every time I
I
always yes, that's my favorite. So, we always buy ubi ice cream.
really? Then
Yes.
I will tell you what ice cream do you like? Not Obi,
What?
not the ice cream.
Another one?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Rocky Road, or let me check, okay? Aha. Okay, Rocky Road ice cream. It looks like this one. It has marshmallow, it has nuts, it has a
Wow,
lot of
it will
chocolate.
be so yummy. Ah, it will be so yummy. Then I will
Yes,
tell you something. Do you like Obi ice cream
yes,
or
I do.
marshmallow or nuts?
Ube,
Obi
ube.
nuts?
I like
Yeah,
ube more than this one.
really?
This is
What is this? It's all chocolate, but this is white.
Rocky Road. Okay, the name is Rocky Road ice cream.
But what is this ice cream? This is Valkyrie ice cream.
It is vanilla with nuts and marshmallows.
Ooh, I wanna try all of it. I wanna try it too.
So, so either chocolate or ube or rocky road. Oh, one more, one more. Okay, one more. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one. I'm not sure if you like this one. Ah, okay. Ah, okay, this one. Oh, where is it now?
Oh, this cake.
Red velvet ice cream.
Oh. And
It's so
when are
yummy.
we gonna do class?
Okay, we do it now. Okay, we
Yeah,
do it now.
and I think the cake will be yummy.
Yeah, anyway, so we are going to complete the questions using have, okay, and do and does. You use do if you have plural subject and I and you. We use does if you have singular subject he, she, and it. Okay. Okay. We are on this one already. Okay. Do or
Okay.
does?
Do we have, wait, ha, have a lot of homework?
Okay. Do you have a lot of homework?
Yeah, I have many, but not today.
Okay. Many, but not today. Okay. Do or does?
Do,
Oh, D is letter like this.
oh, I think this is B.
Yeah, that's B. Okay.
Do I have long hair?
Okay. Do I have long hair?
But wait, I remember we're gonna go to a trip.
Next
It's
week,
next
I'm going
John.
to, on the 5th, I'm going on a trip. I'm going to visit as a museum.
Museum? I'm gonna go to that John with a car. Brong
Oh,
brong.
okay, so I'm going to a museum because I am going
Sure.
to uh-huh.
You're
So
a musician?
no, I'm going to bring my kids to a museum. We're going to see a lot of fishes, turtles, seahorses, so many
You have
things.
a kid? Then you marry someone?
No, no. Okay, this one. So we're going to see a lot of fish, turtles. This one is
Dad.
a very big turtle.
Wow. Wow. Many animals in here.
Yeah.
And we have the swimming pool too. Every fun.
Yes, we do have. Okay, so it looks like a very, very big building. It's a very big building, and we-
And sea creatures.
yeah, a whale. There's a preserveware. There are dolphins. Okay,
What's
but
the where?
what
Where's the where?
in that museum? Although it's dead, okay, it's dead, but they put it inside a very, very big cage.
But
It's
is that?
preserved. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. Okay, let's go back now. Let's go back. Do or does?
Wait. Does
Mm-hmm.
Sarah has
Ha.
one what's up toys?
Okay. Does Sally have lots of toys? Oh, does Rina have lots of toys?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. What's the next
Do
one?
does
Does
she have a YouTuber player?
oh no, YouTube page.
YouTube
YouTube.
page? What is a YouTube page?
It's like if you watch YouTube, there are so many videos there, right? So every YouTuber, they have their own page. They have their own, like for example, Mr. Beast. Okay, so Mr. Beast
Oh,
has its own
but I have
page.
my YouTuber what
Page.
page? I had the YouTuber page too.
Why are you vlogging?
I'm doing Winna TV in Korean.
Really? You
But
have Rina
Winna,
TV?
nah, Winna TV. But it's
Okay,
Korean and you need to write Korean.
okay.
But TV is
So
English.
okay, so what do you upload in that page?
My brother come out and my sister come out.
So how many videos do you have?
I don't know, but I had no. But took mommy put the we and you starting in the YouTube and everyone can watch now.
Well, I think yeah, I guess so. So if I'm going to search for this one, I can see you.
Yeah,
Okay, and next we have to finish the last two. The
yeah.
last two, do or die.
Do
Ah,
you have taekwondo
it is taekwondo,
taekwondo
kakao,
cook
kakao talk.
cook TikTok?
Kakao talk. This is kakao talk. Okay. Do you have kakao talk?
What is a cow talk?
It, it is your number one way of communicating with people. Kakao talk,
Hmm.
right? You ask your mom, do we have kakao talk? Yes, because most almost all of the Koreans have kakao talk. Okay.
Then you had
And then
cow talk too?
before, but now I don't know. I have to get one. I have to get one. Okay, next, last, so that we can finish. Then we'll see each other next week.
Do Tom and Mel have one book?
Fa- Facebook. Okay,
What is a
so
Facebook?
social media. That's like a cow talk. Just like a cow talk.
Cow
You're-
talk.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, we don't have much time. Happy holiday.
Bye bye.
Bye.